Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing DIY lashes today. In my last video I had mentioned that I wanted to do these for you to show you like an up close look. So let's just get into it. I'm out of breath. So I just did mine and then you guys will not believe what happened. So I'm recording this video to do for you and my phone dies literally 5 minutes in. I don't know why I thought I could do a whole video with 3%. So yeah, I recorded the whole video and then didn't even get to show you the results. So today I'm gonna try again. I ripped off my lashes and here I am doing them again because I love it so much and it's so easy and I love doing this to myself. Yeah. We're gonna do either this one or this one. I don't remember what I was saying. But we're doing our lashes today. I'm gonna try these pink colorful ones. Did you guys see the Barbie movie? I'm going to see that 100 more times. I loved it. I absolutely thought it was so cute. I cried. I sobbed 3 times. I really like the pink ones though, so we're gonna try that for the Barbie movie. So I think in the first video I talked about this. This is our double-ended stick. It has the bond and the other side was the seal. So the bond you're gonna use like mascara. You're not supposed to use it like mascara. I do that this way. Like I said, I took off my other one, so there's still glue from the other time. Don't do that either. I just did that so I could show you how I put them on. Under your lashes, go at the base and put the mascara right there. And like, kind of put it on like mascara, not too much like on the ends, because you can see this happens. I'm just showing you how I do it. I did do both eyes. Oh my god. That was a mistake. I've been wearing them for a couple months and there's still stuff like I learned, like maybe do one eye at a time. And so I got a little excited. I think I'm gonna do this book again. This one's our newest ones. I like to think of this for like more natural days, just like my everyday ones. These ones I'm trying to, I want my selfie stick. I am working at the swap meet tonight, so I do have to leave in a couple hours. My sister is coming to work with us. I'm super excited. Whoa. So I line the cluster like so. This one's a size 10. I usually start from the outside, but I'm gonna start from the inside today because I think that might be easier. I gave myself bangs today. And that was something. So I don't know if I'm going through something or might be having a mental breakdown. I'm not sure. So when I'm applying these, I'm not putting it at the base. I'm putting it like just a little above. Because if you put them right at the base, it's gonna, oh my god, it's like gonna hurt your eye or irritate it. And you're gonna end up with like one eyelash left. So you wanna make sure they're super comfortable because you are gonna be wearing these for a couple days. And they are under your lash, so you wanna be really careful with how you put them. All right, so I'm putting it, I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see that? So I'm putting it like right on the lash line, same way it would like regular. So again, go right at the base and then just go like, okay, that totally just cut me off in the middle of me talking. It is tacky. All right. I did apply 4 clusters by now. I think I can do one more. Right now I just did 10s. Ooh, I wasn't supposed to do just 10s. We're just gonna go ahead and put a 14 on the end. I like mine to be super like wispy and I like to kind of be fluttery on the outsides. I like to be like a butterfly, you know? So I put 3 so far on this one. I'm debating on putting another 4 because this eye is smaller than this eye. I'm actually not sure why. But that's just me. And so I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, it'll definitely fit. Bam! Okay, that is So unprofessional of me. I did both eyes. I did all 10s and then ended with a 14. I think that's probably my best style I've ever done. I really liked it. I was getting too complicated with it. Usually I do 10s, 12s, 14s, but So now I'm gonna try and add the color ones. I've been really wanting to try these. I just did white.
Made me look really edgy. I liked it. It was cute.
I'm gonna try pink today in honor of Barbie movie. The pink ones look like this. I don't know if you can see it. I could probably use half and half for both eyes, actually. For if I do, my mother would say, na 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 na, down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelon grows. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say. Okay, so I lined the cluster and then I only put a small. Oh my god, Mama, look at me. Mama, I love it. We're gonna do the other eye now with the other half. I tore off my lashes just so I could do pink. So I left a little bit of space, so I'm just gonna go right about here. So you can double them up. I'm doing it more natural, especially with the pink. I don't want too much. So I did one layer of 10s, 14s, and then these ones are size 16s, and they're right next to my 14s. Guys, that took me so long. We're finally done with this look. We're off to the swap meet. We're there Fridays and Saturdays between whenever I feel like it and 11. You wanna show your Barbie outfit?